Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Types of fractures. Fractures can be divided into either transverse fractures, linear fractures, oblique fractures, oblique and displaced. Displaced is if they move from their initial position, then it is displaced fracture. So it is oblique and displaced fracture, and it is oblique and spiral fracture that is involving the whole bone. It is green stick fracture. Only the one side of the cortex is fractured, whereas the other side of the cortex is intact. Then we have comminuted fractures where the whole bone is divided into many fracture fragments. So these are the types of fractures.
thank you and thank you for watching.